Hello everyone, welcome to House's fourth episode of Builders Review. I'm your host and host Reshma Mayekar. Here, we reviewing India's top leading developers so that you can make your informed decision whether you want to buy your dream house in their project or not. Today, we will be reviewing India's top leading developer, Brigade Group. This segment has been divided into 5 parts. Builders history and overview, present cities and countries, completed project, awards and recognition, last but not the least, few facts about Brigade Group. But before moving ahead, let's talk about Housey first. What exactly Housey is और Housey हमारे लिए करता तो भला करता क्या है? So ladies and gentlemen, Housey is India's first real estate platform who connects home buyers directly to the developer, thereby giving you the best rate possible. Unlike other current platform जो आपके नंबर ढेर सारे ब्रोकर्स के साथ शेयर करते हैं, and the result is आपको ढेर सारे फोन आना शुरू होते हैं. बट यार इन Housey हम क्या करते हैं पता है? हम आपका नंबर शेयर करते हैं डायरेक्टली टू द डेवलपर. और इसका रिजल्ट ये है कि आपको अपने खुद के सपनों के घर का सही दाम मिलता है. तो यहाँ वहाँ जाना आज से छोड़ दीजिए और आज ही अपना खुद का सपनों का घर बुक कीजिए थ्रू Housey with your favorite developer. Yes. So let's start with the Brigade Group history and overview. Brigade Group was founded by Mr. Jai Shankar in the year 1986. Mr. Jai Shankar is named one of India's top 100 CEOs by Business Today. He was also conferred the Bharat Ratna Sir M. Visvesvaraya Award in 2022 by the Federation of Karnataka Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Mr. Jai Shankar is currently the executive chairman of the Brigade Group. Mr. Jai Shankar has 2 daughters, Pavitra Shankar and Nirupa Shankar. Pavitra Shankar is currently the managing director of the company and looks after the Brigade's residential business, strategy and growth. Nirupa is a joint managing director of the company and oversees the Brigade Group's hotel, office and retail portfolios. On 31st December 2007, Brigade Group got listed in stock exchange under the name Brigade Enterprises Limited, both in NSE and BSE. Brigade Group has over 37 years of experience and has so far completed over 250 plus residential projects with 35,000 plus happy residents in 6 cities. In commercial segment, Brigade Group has over 7.4 million square feet of operation leasing portfolio, 21 million square feet of completed commercial projects and 8 million square feet of upcoming developments. Also, Brigade Group has successfully constructed 8 hotels and has 6 upcoming hotels in the pipeline. Now, let's discuss about Brigade Group presence. Brigade Group has presence in multiple cities of India, namely Bengaluru, Chennai, Mussoorie, Gift City, Gujarat, Hyderabad, Kochi and Ahmedabad. So now let's talk about some completed projects by Brigade Group. So they are into residential, commercial, hospitality, retail as well. So let's have a look at the completed project in each segment. For residential, Brigade Lakefront, Whitefield, Bengaluru, Brigade Orchards, Devanahalli, Bengaluru, Brigade Citadel, Hyderabad, Brigade Buena Vista, Budigiri Cross, Bengaluru, Brigade North Ridge, Neo and many more. Let's now look at the commercial projects completed by Brigade. World Trade Center, Bengaluru, Brigade International Finance Center, Gift City, Gujarat, Brigade Signature Towers, Bengaluru World Trade Center, Chennai and many more. Now, it's time for the retail segment. Orion Mall, Bengaluru, Orion Uptown Mall, Bengaluru, Orion Avenue Mall and many more. Now, the completed projects in hospitality segment. Holiday Inn Express Hotel, Bengaluru, OMR. 4 Points by Sheraton, Kochi. Grand Mercury Gift City, Gujarat and many more. So now let's talk about awards and recognition. Brigade Group has over 75 plus awards and certification under their name. Some of them are India's Top Builder Award at CW, Architect and Builders Award 2023. Brigade Group secured 4 awards at 50th Realty and Excellence Awards 2023 South. Few of them are Integrated Brand Campaign of the Year, Integrated Township Project of the Year for Brigade Orchards. Pavitra Shankar, the Managing Director of Brigade Group, was awarded Woman Achiever in the Real Estate Sector Award 2023. And the list goes on. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about few facts of Brigade Group. Brigade's journey of conquering the real estate market began as a 5-member team in the year 1986. Now, with 1,000 proud brigadiers in its ranks, it has today become one of the 50th best companies to work for in India, celebrated for numerous pioneering achievements in the world of real estate. In the early 1990s, Brigade Group constructed Bengaluru's first centrally air-conditioned shopping complex named as Brigade Gardens. In the late 1900s, Brigade Group constructed Bengaluru's first project to get CRI-SIL rating. Brigade Regency, they were the first developers to be ISO 9001 certified. In the year 2006, Brigade Group constructed a truly one-of-a-kind mixed-use lifestyle enclave named Brigade Gateway, which has residential building, World Trade Center, Bengaluru, Sheraton, Grand Bengaluru Hotel, Brigade School, a hospital and a club. Brigade Gateway is still the most sought-after place in Bengaluru. Since 2003, Brigade Group runs a foundation named as Brigade Foundation. It is not for a profit trust that helps larger community under education, health and community development. Under education, Brigade runs 3 non-profit self-sustaining schools in which has 3,370 students and 270 teaching staff. Under Healthcare, Brigade Group runs 2 not-for-profit 100 beds hospital. Brigade also has a dedicated e-management portal tailored for residences purchased with Brigade Group named as Brigade M-Key. This platform transforms your post-booking experience into a seamless online journey, reducing turnaround times and putting essential information at your fingertips. So everyone, this was the Brigade Group review. I hope you like this segment. अगर पसंद आया होगा तो जरूर हमें कमेंट में कमेंट करके बताइएगा. ये भी बताइएगा कि नेक्स्ट डेवलपर कौन से हैं जिनके बारे में और इन्फॉर्मेशन आप जानना चाहते हो. And finally, if you want to know more about real estate, builders review, teasers, new projects, new launch, so make sure to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.